Looking for toilet installation and replacement in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how essential it is to have a reliable toilet working in your home. Our toilet installation and replacement service ensures smooth, efficient installation with professional, top-quality results. Whether you're upgrading to a modern model or replacing an old toilet, our team handles it with precision and care. In Edmonton, we understand the unique plumbing needs of local homes, which is why we provide tailored solutions to ensure your plumbing runs smoothly for years to come. Keep watching to find out why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted name for toilet installation and replacement in Edmonton, or call us now to schedule your service.